I personally think that the flexi career option that we have within the organization is a win-win. Win-win not only for the organization but also for the employee. And I think it's quite interesting because I've experienced it as a line manager for the last 1 year. And I personally think it's really worked out very well. Actually, when the campaign started and people talked about the fact that we could have flexi careers, a lot of people thought that it was for people, mostly women, who would use it to bring up their children just before they have a child or something like that. And it was quite interesting that the first person to exercise this option was actually a very senior male manager within the organization who happened to be a part of the HPCLT. I'm sure you've heard him speak as well, which is George Koshy. When he chose this option, I was a bit surprised because that's not something which people conventionally do, which is to really say, I want to spend half my time at home because I have a personal issue and I'll be able to spend only half the time in office. I think once he clarified and I could understand how clear he was on needing to spend more time at home, I think then it was really an option of making it work for both him and for us. And the way we did it was that he agreed that he would work for 3 days in a week. And out of the 3 days that he worked, 1 day would be from home. And that's really the way in which we structured the role. Earlier, he used to manage 2 categories and we then dropped it to 1 category. What I found over 1 year is that actually I didn't feel any difference. Actually, as a line manager, I found that the focus, the energy, the passion and commitment which Koshy had for HHC remained unchanged absolutely. I got a big benefit because I was able to then split HHC and oral into 2 different categories, have 2 different category heads running them, and therefore I got focus both for oral care and for HHC. As far as HHC was concerned, I found that Koshy, while he might be working 3 days, by no means was he thinking about HHC half the time. His focus was entirely on HHC, and I found that the 3 days that he worked effectively or came to office, his contribution was significantly higher and much happier and more fulfilled doing this, because I think he was being able to take care of some of the personal issues which in the past would have plagued him when he was coming to work every day. So he seemed happier, and I found him to be more effective at work. And I also found that his contribution was much more than 50% FTE, which I was getting. So I think I benefited in all respects. So therefore, it's worked out really well for us. What's now happening is that Koshy is coming back full time. He spent a year and a couple of months outside, and he is going to come back to one of our biggest categories. We are getting Koshy to come back into one of our biggest categories. So therefore, by no means has his let's say, career progression within the organization slowed down. If anything, it's moving better than it was even earlier. So therefore, career-wise, it's had no impact at all. And then when I look back and think about it, I think to me, HHC has benefited in this 1 year. And I'm sure Koshy would feel good about the fact that he's been able to spend a year at home, a lot more time at home, which he needed to at this point in time, and yet been able to do what he wants to do with his career.